Tap, tap, tap. I am wearing heels. You do not have to wear heels if you don't feel comfortable in them, but I normally wear heels when I dance bachata. So let's go. We're going to learn how to do a side-to-side step. This is a basic step that you've probably seen before, and we are going to learn how to do it. It looks like this. Tap, tap, tap. Hey, tap, 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 tap. And from another angle, we are going to go tap, tap, tap. So it basically is what your legs are doing. Let me break it down. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And as you can see, what I was doing at the end, you already take your hips with you. So you step out, and the count is on 8 counts. So we normally count in 8 with dancing, sometimes in 3s, but most of the time in 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 4th count, or the 4th step, is more a tap. So we go right, put your weight on it, left, put your weight together, right, and left is a little tap with your hip, and your foot can be on your tippy toe. So you go left to the other side, right, left, and tippy toe, tap. So the 4 and the 8 is more a tap than it is a step. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, tap. Again, tap, 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 and tap, 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 and tap, and tap. Yes, so normally you do this with a partner, or you can do this with a partner. You don't have to. So what I've just taught you, so going to the right first, is what the ladies do. The men do the exact opposite way. So I'm going to turn around just so you can see what I mean. So the ladies are going that way, what we just did, and the men start with left. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now, you can add your hips in. So we already only did the step, tap, 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 but you can add your hips, especially for the ladies. This is a big part of it. So you go ta, you swing your hip, ta, ta, and ta, 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 and ta. Let me show you from the back. So we do ta, 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 and ta, 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 and ta, 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 and ta, 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 and ta. Yes. Men, if you want, feel free to swing your hips as well. You don't have to though. And you hold each other like this. So this, we've now done all the basic steps of it. Play some bachata music. Just go to Spotify or YouTube or whatever and type in bachata music. You'll get something, and practice it on the 8 counts. Now, if you have a partner, feel free to grab them. So the ladies, your right arm is up and your left is around the shoulder of the guy, and for the guys, your right arm is around the body of the lady, and with your left hand you hold them. So you go like this, ta, 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 ta. I hope that helped. Let me know if you want to see more bachata tutorials in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye!